Listen and practice speaking skills.
Hi there. Mind if I join you?
Oh, hey. Not at all. Please, have a seat.
Thanks. So, how's your day been so far?
It's been all right. Just the usual, work and stuff. How about you?
Can't complain. Been keeping busy with projects. By the way, have you tried their new caramel latte?
Not yet. Is it any good?
It's delicious. You should definitely give it a try.
I might just do that. So, what have you been up to lately apart from work?
Well, I've been trying to get back into reading. Started this new book last week.
Oh, what book is it?
It's called The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Have you read it?
No, I haven't. What's it about?
It's a novel about a young shepherd who goes on a journey to find his treasure and discovers the true meaning of life along the way.
Sounds intriguing. I'll add it to my reading list.
Definitely worth a read. So, any exciting plans for the weekend?
Not really. Probably just catching up on chores and maybe meeting up with some friends for dinner. What about you?
Thinking of going for a hike if the weather holds up. It's been ages since I've been out in nature.
That sounds like fun. I love hiking, too. Let me know if you need a hiking buddy.
Will do. It's always more enjoyable with good company.
Absolutely. Oh, speaking of company, did you hear about Sarah's new job?
No, I haven't. What's she up to now?
She landed a position at a marketing agency downtown. She's super excited about it.
That's fantastic news. I'll have to shoot her a congratulatory message later.
I'm sure she'd appreciate that. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming project at work?
Honestly, I'm a bit nervous about it. It seems like a big undertaking, but I'm also excited to tackle the challenge.
You'll do great, John. You always do. Plus, you've got a talented team backing you up.
Thanks, Emily. I needed to hear that. Sometimes self-doubt creeps in, you know?
Totally understand. But remember, you're capable of more than you think.
Thanks for the vote of confidence. Hey, do you want to split a slice of cake?
Sure, why not? Life's too short to say no to cake.
Hey Sarah, how are things?
Hey Ben, good to see you. Everything's going well, thanks for asking. How about you?
Busy as always, but I can't complain. Coffee break with a friend is a nice way to unwind.
Absolutely. So, what's new and exciting in your world?
Actually, I've been getting really into birdwatching lately. It's a great way to get outside and connect with nature.
Wow, that's unique. What kind of birds have you seen?
I've mostly spotted robins, cardinals, and blue jays so far. But I'm hoping to catch a glimpse of a hummingbird soon.
That would be amazing. I've always loved watching hummingbirds flit around flowers. I might have to try birdwatching sometime.
You should. It's surprisingly relaxing and can be quite rewarding. Plus, it's a wonderful way to learn more about the local wildlife.
Maybe we can go birdwatching together sometime. Besides birds, anything else keeping you busy?
I've also been learning how to play the ukulele. It's a small, portable instrument, perfect for carrying around.
No way. That's awesome. Have you learned any songs yet?
A few simple ones. It's a bit challenging, but definitely a fun way to learn something new.
You're always trying new things. I admire that.
Thanks. What about you? Anything exciting happening on your end?
This weekend I'm going rock climbing with a group of friends. It's a great workout and a total adrenaline rush.
Rock climbing. That sounds intense. Have you done it before?
I've tried it a couple of times and I love it. It's a fantastic way to push your limits and conquer your fears.
More power to you. Sounds like an adventurous weekend. What are you planning for Sunday?
Probably just chilling at home, reading a good book and catching up on my favorite podcasts.
Sounds like a well-deserved rest. I might do the same on Sunday after my family visit.
Sounds like a good plan. Well, it was great catching up, Ben.
Definitely. See you soon, Sarah.
See you later.